Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. This is my monthly Stash Down video. So this is for Stash Down 2024 for what I did in September. That is hosted by Bridget over at Queen's Craft by Bridget. But we do need to give her some prayers and love. They got hit by the hurricane days ago, and the last update she did on her channel is that she is without power, and I'm going to assume that is still the case because she hasn't made an update. So let's keep praying for her and send her some love. So anyway, in the meantime, let us show what I got done. Took notes. There we are. So first up are all my knitting machine scarves that I got done. The first one here is this brown and blue one that has two strands of very thin yarn held together, and it turned out pretty cool. I don't know how I got this big section of blue. The blue is the Summer Nights and the brown is yarn from Timu. So anyway, this scarf is 5.1 ounces or 144 grams. This is the second scarf I got, quite not as big. Also, this was yarn I got off Tamu. So anyway, this knitting machine scarf is 1.9 ounces or 90 grams. Yeah, if I'm looking down, I got notes. So, and this is the final scarf off the knitting machine I got done last month. This one's different because I didn't scrunch the ends, which I prefer this over that. So this also was yarn off Timu. Yeah, I like this one too. Anyway, this scarf is 3.1 ounces or 90 grams. Alright, this is the biggest project of them all. This is the V-Stitch shawl, which I did as part of Mystery Yarn Challenge that was now newly taken over by Elaine O at Elaine Place Crafts. And this was her other option for this past month was the Scrap Yarn Challenge, and that's what this shawl is. I like how this turned out. I'm gonna have to write a pattern for this. Maybe do some more. I like this shawl. Anyway, this shawl is 12.9 ounces, 367 grams. Mind that this is a big project and it might not be as accurate as the smaller ones because I try to get it to fit on the scale. There. Next is pumpkin. I got all these pumpkins I did on the knitting machine. So let us now bring in the knitting machine pumpkins. All right, the first one, I believe is this. Yep, it's this light orange pumpkin. I did this as far as a tutorial. Anyway, this first pumpkin is 1.5 ounces or 42 grams. Almost all these pumpkins are going to be similar in weight. Oh, and this is the yellow pumpkin. That is 1.5 ounces, 44 grams. Let's see. Oh, that's long. It's this one. This one, this long green stem, that is 1.4 ounces. 40 grams. Okay, this is the one I put a face on. Cute. This is 1.2 ounces or 34 grams. Like trying to figure out where to. Alright. I got this pumpkin here. This one is 1.4 ounces or 38 grams. And all the colors on that one. because it's the first pumpkin I tried out. Yeah, I just wrapped some green yarn around that to give the color, because this was all actually made in one color. I just added some green thread around it. So anyway, this is 1.8 ounces or 50 grams. I think I like this one too. This one is 1.4 ounces or 41 grams. And we got this pumpkin here. I like how that one turned out too. This one is 1.2 ounces or 35 grams. Just moving stuff around, making room. Finally, this pumpkin was not made on the knitting machine. I made it on the loom. This one is 1 ounce or 27 grams. Alright, and that is it for all the knitting machine pumpkins. This, I think I was experimenting with a pumpkin pattern and I just end up making this bumpy ball thing. Anyway, this is 1.5 ounces or 44 grams for that. And these, I weighed these two together because this is my bumpy ball tutorial. And that's what these are told together. These two, oh, there they are, is 1.5 ounces or 41 grams. And this was the prototype for the balls I did before. I was trying it with the cluster stitch. It's actually not that bad. Kind of like that. So anyway, this is 0.9 ounces or 24 grams. Oh, we're getting down there. We're almost done. It's like, of course, I had to make a chicken. But it's the only chicken I made because I made a whole bunch of pumpkins. So yeah, yeah, I didn't. There's no lining on the bottom because I just took it out and it just started to ravel. The inner layer, that's the inner layer. So cute chicken. Anyway, this chicken is 1.2 ounces, 36 grams. And what do we got next? Oh, the chicken. Oh, gift bag. Go down my list. There's a gift bag. I do plan pretty soon to make a tutorial on, not quite this gift bag, this is a prototype. Anyway, this gift bag is 2.3 ounces or 2.3 ounces or 63 grams. This one. We're getting down there. I think all I got left are like 3 hats. I'll probably donate all these hats. Alright, so this first hat is 2.5 ounces or 70 grams. This next hat is 2.4 ounces or 68 grams. Finally, the last stash down item is this purple hat. It's up. 2.4 ounces and 69 grams. So that is it. That is everything for stash down. So again, more prayers are out for Bridget. Hopefully that her situation is improving. And also want to remind you that I have my 3rd giveaway going on for the October playlist challenge. That will be in the description. So that's all I have. If you did like this video, please get a like. Want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye now.